Okay, we've got a very short week ahead of us. We had the long weekend on Monday. Friday we have off, just a normal Friday off for us. We have switched to the 4-day weeks, 10-hour shifts. Incredible. Extra short week for me. I'm taking off to Fernie, BC. I'm gonna try those skis out. Hopefully I don't hurt myself. Okay, I've got absolutely no format for this week, so let's just head downstairs and see what the boys are working on. What projects are we working on?
Stairs.
Stairs. Okay, we got John working on entrance. What can you tell us?
Well, I can tell you there's a lot of little pieces to cut and insulate and
like
lots of
puzzle.
angles and a little puzzle, yeah.
Okay, so first goes our 1.5 inch insulation. John's making that fit. Really nothing after that, just subfloor, right?
Subfloor after that, yep.
Okay, so this is another one of those entrance ways that the guys came up with. Essentially, the bottom step gets removed, reframed with a floor, and a RV step gets added, usually a 2-stepper.
Entrance text here, instead of highlighting your campervan.
Couple steps in and found a Christian. Okay, so Christian, I believe, is working on layout in this bus.
Yeah.
Is that you?
Yeah. Like my
Need a little ukulele. Okay, so Christian is going over Aaron's layout here, just making it fit. It's easy as that.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get out of the way here, but working on windows, window placement. Guy, what are you working on?
Floor raise.
Floor
Taking out
raise.
the floor raise, yeah.
So once again, you're good. So once again, we're doing a floor raise in this build, so it will step up at the wheel wells, roughly. That's what Guy's working on right now, so he's framing in the tank and I guess adding all the supports for this floor. Okay, so again, Guy's working on the floor system, the raised floor portion in this build. This wheelchair entrance is gonna actually serve as a garage entrance. It will give access under the bed, so water tank will be closed in here. This will be closed off. This will be garage from the back door. From this point up to the bed, I believe 36 inches. This will be all garage area.
36 to the
Accessed by that. What was that?
It's 36 to the top of the mattress.
I don't know if you guys heard that. 36 to the top of the mattress from this area right here.
All we have to do is upgrade now.
All right, so while everyone's inside the bus, Cole's sparking away on the outside. So this is Cole's setup. He is working on some welding somewhere up there, sealing up holes. Hey buddy, you being good up here? Where's Elfie? Hi. Okay, so a lot happening in the shop. We've got Aaron's build, getting some exterior work as well as interior layout going on. We've got Declan's build at about the same stage, a little bit ahead with wiring. And then we've got Kyle's build, the Ponderosa spec van. Furniture and everything like that is being actually built on the back end. So that will come together fast, but it's at about the same stage. It's waiting for wiring and wall panels.